It was the first day of summer break, and best friends Rebecca, Milton, Edward, and Louise were buzzing with excitement. They had one mission: to have the best summer ever. "Let's form a club," Milton suggested, flipping his baseball cap backward. "The Amazing Summer Adventure Club." Everyone cheered. Their first rule: do something fun and adventurous every day. Day 1. The Great Water Balloon Battle. Armed with hundreds of colorful water balloons, the friends divided into teams, Rebecca and Edward against Milton and Louise. They built forts using pool floaters and lawn chairs in Rebecca's backyard. Splash! A blue balloon exploded on Milton's shoulder. He laughed, grabbed a bucket, and doused Edward with water. By the end, they were soaked and rolling with laughter. Day 3, Sandcastle Kingdom. At the beach, they decided to build the biggest sandcastle ever. Louise, the architect, designed a giant fortress with tunnels, towers, and a moat. Rebecca sculpted a seashell pathway, while Edward and Milton dug trenches to fill the moat with water. When a wave threatened their masterpiece, they worked together to build a barrier. "This is the best castle ever," Edward declared as they took a victory photo. Day 6, the secret treehouse. Exploring the woods near Milton's house, they stumbled upon an old treehouse. "Let's fix it up," Louise suggested. They spent hours sweeping, decorating, and making it their official club headquarters. Rebecca painted a sign: "The Amazing Summer Adventure Club, no boring days allowed." Day 10, glow-in-the-dark camping. That night, they camped in Edward's backyard. They painted rocks with glow-in-the-dark paint and used them to mark a secret path to their tent. They roasted marshmallows, told silly ghost stories, and played flashlight tag. The best part: watching fireflies dance in the dark sky. Day 14, the Great Bike Race. With homemade race flags and an obstacle course in the park, the race was on. They zoomed through cones, jumped over tiny ramps, and even had to grab a popsicle from a table without stopping. Louise won, but everyone got a Coolest Racer award and extra popsicles. The summer was filled with even more adventures: fishing, lemonade stands, roller skating, and a surprise talent show for their families. As the final days of summer approached, Rebecca sighed. "This was the best summer ever." Milton grinned. "Next summer, we go even bigger." And with a high five, they made a promise: every summer would be an Amazing Summer Adventure Club summer. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!